Power Muffins. These muffins are perfect for breakfast. The cheese makes it savory, while spinach and oregano give you an extra boost for the day. Ingredients. Make sure to get all your ingredients out before you start cooking and set them out neatly on your cooking surface. Also, make sure to get measuring spoons and measuring cups out. Directions. Number 1. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Number 2. Combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Mix until combined. Remember to always keep your cooking surface clean and safe, and make sure you always have space to do everything. Number 3. Take the leaves off of the oregano and rip them into pieces. Rip the spinach leaves into pieces too. Grate the cheeses into small pieces. Number 4. Combine the eggs, milk, sour cream, spinach, oregano, and cheeses in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Mix until combined. Try not to splatter, that way you can keep your cooking surface clean. Number 5. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix well until you cannot see any more of the white flour. Number 6. Get a muffin tray out and place 6 to 8 large muffin wrappers in the tray. Then, carefully distribute the batter evenly between all of the wrappers. Try not to get any batter on the sides of the wrappers so the muffins look good when they come out. Number 7. Place the muffin tray in the oven and bake for 30 minutes or until they are golden on the top. And be careful, don't burn yourself. Number 8. Take the muffin tray out and put the muffins on a pretty plate. Serve with butter and sour cream on the side. This is the final product. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy! Thank you. Special thanks to my dad who taught me how to make these muffins.